What's up guys, it's Intellitech Studios here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung wireless charging stand. Now, I did do an unboxing of one of these quite a while ago, but I actually returned that one because it didn't work. And I actually bought a Seneo brand fast charger that was much cheaper, and it actually worked very well. Well, until it didn't. So now this doesn't work, and I will still drop a link to this one in the description, because this is still a great charger. But something happened. My dad was using it, and I don't know what happened, but the port or something died on it, and now it doesn't do anything when I plug it in. So another wireless charger that has died on me. So I thought, instead of buying refurbished or buying cheap aftermarket ones, I'm just going to spend the extra couple bucks and get one straight from Samsung, because when I registered this Galaxy Note Edge, I actually got an offer from Samsung's website saying how I could get 20% off any purchase. And this charger is normally like $50, but because they have so many newer versions of this charger, like the transforming ones that go like flat and stand, those, and then there's even a newer version of that, meaning that this one is the oldest one they have on their website that's a stand, but it is still super cheap. So with that code and everything, it was $24, but then I put that code in and it made it even cheaper, so that's fantastic. So it was basically the same price, or within margin of error of it being the same price as a refurbished version of these on Amazon. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna buy it. Now this actually has more updated packaging than the one that I got last time. So you can see this has stand-up charging. You can see they got the lovely Galaxy S7 Edge on display there, fast charge with a compatible Samsung phone, and compatible with the Qi standard wireless charging. And it comes with, of course, a new fast charger and cable, which in of itself is already $20. So I essentially got the charger for like $5, which is nice. So you can see, charge your Qi wireless charging enabled device without connecting the device to a port or cable. Experience even faster 9-watt wireless charging output when used with a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, which I got one. Simply place the back of your smartphone on the charging stand and wait for the charging notification to appear. You can read incoming text messages or answer calls without interrupting charging. Up to 9-watt wireless fast charge speeds on select smartphones. Supports wireless charging on all Qi Universal Standard smartphones. Qi is certified by Wireless Powder Consortium. Multicolor LED indicator displays charging status. Dual charging coils for easy landscape or portrait device orientation. And a built-in fan to cool your phone during fast charging. And of course we got some fine print. And this one says, this will focus, charging your device wirelessly may require the addition of a wireless charging cover. Now that's in case if you have a device that's older than the Galaxy S6, and you, for example, my Galaxy Note Edge, Note 4, you would have to add a charging pad inside the back cover, and that would enable charging. I did that on my Note 3 back when I had that. And if you have like an iPhone or another device where you don't have a removable back but you want to add wireless charging, you can get a little card that you can put underneath a case, and that will enable wireless charging. But as we can see, if we read this, wireless fast charge is compatible with Galaxy Note 5 and Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. And as you can see, I have a Galaxy Note 5, and mine's silver, or the back is silver, the front's black, but the back is silver. Last time I got the black one, so I want to get the silver one this time, because my Yeti microphone is going to be on this side of the desk, and the charger is going to be on this side, so it'll be a nice silver contrast. Now, the newest version comes in a blue color, which I really wanted, but it was like $60, and I'm not spending $60 on a wireless charger. I just wanted something, a stand that works. So this is nice. I love, oh my god, I almost dropped it. I love the packaging. As usual, Samsung makes great packaging. So we've wasted a lot of time. In fact, this has like Apple-style packaging where the cut is on the bottom and you lift the box up. So again, here's the Seneo wireless charger that's busted, and then for charging pads, this is one that I got on Wish for about $1. So this is like some off-brand one, looks very similar to a Zizo one. And then here's the standard Samsung wireless charging pad. This one's not even fast charge, it's just a regular charging pad, the first generation that came out with the S6. And this one I believe we've had for quite a while, since around that time actually, so it's a few years old, and this one still works. So if this one still works after repeated use and being plugged and unplugged, I have no reason to believe why this one shouldn't as well. I think the other one I got was just a lemon, and then this one obviously isn't as built well. So So let's open this up. Just open, uh-oh, that's a bad idea. So just cut this tape. There we go. Cut that. And there's another one here on the bottom. So just cut that. And now we can pull this open. A little dent on the top of the box, but that's okay. And here it is. Whew. It's gorgeous. This will focus. So we have a spare micro USB cable. This is micro USB. This is not Type-C. So this was the generation of the S7 and S7 Edge and Note 7. Even though the Note 7 had USB Type-C, this was still the newest charger at the time, so you would still wirelessly charge via micro USB. But of course the Note 7 didn't really last that long, so it wasn't really long enough out for people to really complain about it. So here's your charger. I got the silver one the last time I got the black one, and oh my god, this is gorgeous. So to look and see with the silver back on my Note 5 how this would look, whew, that is nice. And of course, unlike the Seneo one, this one has a built-in fan to keep the device cool, which of course for Galaxy devices is very important, especially if you have a Galaxy Note 7 or S7 Edge to a lesser extent. So of course we got quick start guide. Oh, isn't that adorable? And just drop that. And nothing else in the box. Alright. And of course, adaptive fast charger, which is very nice. I usually don't like to open these, but I already have a complete set of these in my Note 5 box because, yes, I'm that crazy. So I might actually go ahead and unpack these and use it with this one. Since this will be a stand that I'm not using, or using it, but I'm not like moving it all over the place. Because my dad was previously using this one, so I'm just going to give him this so he has a pad, and then he can just use this for the stand function. Because that's what he would do, is that he would usually charge his device, and then he would just set his phone on the stand so he could prop it up and see in landscape. So I'll do that, and then give him this so he still has a wireless charger for whenever he's not using the stand, and he wants to not have to plug it in. So let's get all this out of the way, get this set up, and test it out. Alright, so here is the charger, and it's all set up. Got some plastic. Ooh, oops. Beautiful plastic. And of course now it's going to get all smudged up and fingerprinted. So, moment of truth. Doesn't have an LED yet. Has a little fan on the back. Let's pop on the Note. Let's shine this up. Grab a Note 5, which supports fast wireless charging, and pop this on. And we can see this fan. Yep, this fan is spinning. So this fan is actually working and keeping the phone cool. And we can see fast charging wirelessly, 80%. So it works beautifully. So much better than these, and better than this. And I love, love, love that silver color. Get a good angle on this. So yeah. And of course, if you have any other device where you can put an adapter in it. Now, obviously some people are going to ask, oh, but you know, your Note 5 doesn't have a case on it. Can you use this with cases? Yes, you can. So I got some cases here. Actually, these are just the first three that are nearby. So first we have this little thin clear case from Ringy. So we're going to pop this on just to show that different types of cases work. So let's pop this all the way on. So we can see this case is on and still fast charges. See, it says charging wirelessly, and then boom, fast charging wirelessly. And then you just give it a couple seconds and it'll give you your estimate on how long it'll take to charge it. But because we see the 30. Alright, My bad, peoples. It saved to the SD card, but then it ran out of space, so it went to the device storage, so it stopped the video. But here's the, so that was the Ringy Fusion. Here's the Spigen Tough Armor. So again, just testing. Works just fine with wireless charging. Every case that I have works just fine with wireless charging, for the record. But just showing that this specific charger, so now I'll pop this one off, which is easier said than done when you only have one hand free. Pop this off, and the UAG, which is a very thick case. This is about the same thickness as any OtterBox case, because I know people are going to ask about OtterBox because they're huge, and sometimes they don't work with wireless charging. But with this one, it's going to work just fine. So here's UAG, again, Note 5. No editing tricks. Boom. Charging up. So we can see fast charging wirelessly. Good to go. So, as you can see, it'll test it with pretty much any case. In fact, I also have, this is the bulkiest case I have. And this is an OtterBox style case where it's got the two parts, super thick, multi-piece. This one also works with wireless charging. So, this is the Samsung fast wireless charging stand. Works with fast charging on your Note 5, S6 Edge Plus, S7, S7 Edge, Note 7, S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, S9, S9 Plus, Note 9, S6 Active, S7 Active, and S8 Active. And of course you can add it to other phones with an adapter. Anyway guys, this is Intelitech Studio signing out. This is a win. Definitely pick it up. Link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.